everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you are in the world. I'm Jordan Helling. I'm on the go-to-market with Microsoft team and responsible for the development of our program and the operations of our go-to-market with Microsoft team, team marketing specialists that support you with your go-to-market plans. And joined with me today is Sydney Hofnagel, responsible for our digital go-to-market programs. Sydney, I'm going to pass it over to you for a second.
Hi there, good morning. Just wanted to say hello and say that I'm excited to be here. I look after the core marketing benefits available to all partners in the partner network.
All right, now I can't. Now I can't send myself back live. I just see you, Cindy. Let's see here. All right, let's try this. Here we go. All right, so today we're going to walk through the resources, offers, and programs that will enable you to co-market with Microsoft and accelerate lead generation. And Sydney will provide a demo on how to use the marketing technology, content, and access to generate demand and build pipeline. And all this is available to Microsoft partners. All right, so Microsoft believes that partners make more possible, and so Microsoft strategically invests in partner success. The Microsoft Partner Network is comprised of these four main pillars: product licenses, marketing resources, offers, and programs, technical enablement, and support services. At Microsoft, we recognize the importance of strategically aligning marketing with you, our partners, and that's why the Go-to-Market with Microsoft program offers a full range of content, technology, resources, and access to help you build your brand and drive demand for your business. These investments and the amazing work that you all are doing to develop innovative solutions or services will help us to continue to grow together. All members of the Microsoft Partner Network get access to go-to-market resources at no cost. We have resources and offers to help accelerate time to market, generate leads, and expand your cloud business. Our mission is to provide you with everything you need to build a strong marketing practice through content, readiness, technology, and access to customers and communities. And when you engage with our programs and teams, you know that we are here to support you with strategic alignment with Microsoft, co-marketing and co-branding support. And partners come to us for many different scenarios, but we know the scenario that you all care about most is getting more leads. And so connecting partners to customers and getting these leads, it's absolutely one of our top priorities. Regardless of where you are in your journey with Microsoft, the Microsoft Partner Network provides marketing resources and offers to every type of partner at every stage, and we're here to help you meet your marketing objectives regardless of where you are in your journey. All partners of the Microsoft Partner Network get access to the Marketing Resource Hub. This is all the services here listed in that green column. And these are our core offerings to provide your organization with the tools needed to generate new opportunities and grow your business. As your partnership with Microsoft grows and you obtain a competency or ISV partners with a co-sell ready solution, you get access to a team of marketing specialists that located in 6 delivery centers across the globe, supporting 10 languages. And they're going to support you with recommendations to improve your business profile, consultation support, and more through co-branding opportunities. Here's a view of the key services and engines to help you acquire leads. These offers range in various degrees of engagements. Some are totally self-serve, available immediately when you join our network at no cost to your organization, and some are on the other spectrum and delivered through white glove service. We do everything for you, available at a negotiated rate, and these are for partners that are co-selling with Microsoft. If you're not quite co-selling with us yet, please don't log off or be discouraged. There's still so much you can do to build up your marketing engine, and we hope that this serves as inspiration and something you look forward to as you grow your business with Microsoft. And these are the offers that we're going to focus on and go deep in our discussion today. Introducing go-to-market sales plays. Sales plays have been developed to guide sales, marketing, execution aligned to customer needs, desired business outcomes, and Microsoft solution areas, modern work and security, apps and infra and data and AI, or business applications. These sales plays connect planning execution across sales, marketing, across corporate, field, and you, our partners. And for greatest impact and alignment, we give you access to and the ability to customize and distribute entire marketing campaigns that map to these solution areas in your customer segment, and in particular for this audience, SMB, to ensure that we're going to market jointly with the same message. This is an example of one of our sales plays aligned to the modern work and security solution area. There are 7 sales plays campaigns available within this solution area. You can simply choose the campaign that's aligned to your solution or service and your customer segment, SMB. Within each of these sales plays, you'll find enablement resources, 2 customer videos, thought leadership, infographic, ebooks, and more. And much of the content is translated in 5 languages. You can share full campaigns to your digital channels via digital marketing content on demand, which Sydney will demo here in a moment. Or you can pull out individual assets to further customize and include in your campaigns and your digital engines. This is an example of what you can expect within 3 of the solution areas and sales plays campaigns. And we'll share this deck out after so you have access to the links and can pull those campaigns most relevant to your business. So I'm going to hand it over to Sydney right now, and she's going to demo digital marketing content on demand.
Awesome, thanks. So as Jordan mentioned, I'm going to share the engine for demand generation that we have available for partners. Let me go ahead and share my screen. Give it a moment to populate. Okay. All right, so as Jordan mentioned, we have digital marketing content on demand. This program is really meant to help you generate demand to help optimize an existing social media or digital marketing strategy and provide content in a way that's easy for you to pick up and use to help generate opportunities and engage with customers. So I'm going to take you through kind of the quick sign up, how you can get started, and we'll go from there. So the first thing you're going to do once you create a login, and you can use a variety of different credentials that already exist. You can use your Microsoft login, you can tie it to your Facebook, Google. But once you get started, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to set up your profile. Your profile is really important because this tool actually will kind of do some light customization of the content. There's an opportunity to pull in your banner or logo. You can see I've uploaded that to my profile here. I've got my website address, my company, my address, my physical location, and all of this you should be able to pull directly from your website. So it should be a pretty light lift for you. Once I have my profile set up, I'm ready to get started with step 2. Step 2 is going to be connecting your social, your email, to the platform. And the reason that we recommend you do this is because it's going to make it super easy for you to share content from directly within the platform. It's always important to note that Microsoft is not going to have access to your customer lists, your email lists, any of the leads you generate through this tool. All of that customer information is going to remain with you. But we recommend that you do this just to seamlessly share content. So you can see that I've connected my Twitter, my Facebook. I can add more. I've got my blog and a few email lists updated. And so you can see that I have a few different. There's also this generic social network. If you are already leveraging a tool to schedule out your social posts or your digital marketing content, you can actually export this and it's going to load seamlessly into your existing tools. So once you've got your networks set up and you're ready to start sharing content, the next thing you're going to do is select the channels. So we wanted to make this program similar to kind of consumer experiences. So we modeled it after kind of that Netflix, Hulu streaming service where you're going to select a topic or a channel that's relevant to you. So I'm in Microsoft 365 for Business Security. You can see that we actually have a ton of different channels. As Jordan mentioned, we've localized into 6 different languages. When I deselect English, you can see that my list grows. So this is a great opportunity for partners around the world to leverage the same content that we have available. You can also see that we can search by product area, things like that. So I'm in the Microsoft 365 for Business and Security, SMB. You'll notice that the campaign, I can select multiple campaigns. This was a new feature this year, so we wanted to empower you to use content that you felt was relevant and not determine the campaigns that you're starting, which was kind of a previous model. Once I select a campaign, the tool is going to load and it's going to give me a preview of the content that's available to me. Once I check and see that, yes, this is the content that I want to share, I'm going to go ahead and press start this campaign. Each week, you're going to get a new set of content. We do provide a quick overview. So if I go to the BOM or bill of materials, this tool is going to give me an overview, or this document is going to give me a quick overview of what I can expect each week. So there is a bill of materials or a BOM for every single campaign. And so you'll have a little bit of insight into that, even though the content's going to roll out weekly. We have 10 to 12 weeks of content available to you. Each week there's between 2 and 5 on average pieces of content for you to share. We have a recommended schedule, but of course you can absolutely use all or as little of this content as you'd like with different specific actions. And so I'm going to take you through kind of the posting process and why we recommend that you connect to those social networks. So once I click share this, I'm going to have the content populate. So there's a couple of things I want to share. The first thing is that Microsoft, we've provided you kind of a pre-populated tweet, Facebook, LinkedIn post, and a mini blog post down below. All of this content is absolutely customizable. So if I want a hashtag or add my own hashtag, I can absolutely do that and customize as I see fit. If I wanted to start over, I could delete this tweet and write my own. Remember, I mentioned that there was some pre-customization. So the tool recognizes and pulls in my company name into areas that we've provided. So you'll see that Contoso Technology is pulled in here. So I'm going to select my Twitter, my Facebook, and my blog. You can see that we can schedule this automatically. So if I select this, the tool is going to tell me the next best time to post, or I can select and publish manually and schedule this out. Once I've got my customization done, or once I'm ready to share, you can see that my custom hashtag is here and I've added my hashtag with Microsoft. I get a quick preview. This is what it's going to look like. And then I click confirm and I can post. So the tool is going to post directly to my social channels or my digital properties from within this single view. One of the questions that I get most often from partners is, okay, but I understand how to share this content. I understand that there's content available, but why would I use this, or how do I use this content? And the way that I would recommend it is if there's a couple of different ways. The first is if you don't have any content or you don't have a social presence, it's great to get on the schedule of consistently posting content. This is going to help customers understand your expertise, generate awareness, and grow that social media following. The other way that you can share this content, or the reason that you would share this content, is if you want to build out your current experience. So let's say you post on average 1 to 2 times per week. You can create a more robust posting schedule by pulling out some of this content. So there's emails, thought leadership. This is all third-party thought leadership that's curated from like Forbes.com or entrepreneur.com. There's also sales enablement resources, so telesales guides, pitch decks, things like that. So we do have some how-to videos or informational videos for you to take a look at. So it's really about kind of identifying where's an opportunity to build out a more robust digital marketing motion, and leveraging existing content. That way you can focus on creating your own content or additional motions, rather than trying to curate and source and find this content. I think that's about all I'm going to cover today. As Jordan mentioned, this tool is included in your Microsoft membership, so there's no cost to use this tool and the content within it. I highly recommend you take a look. If you're looking to sign up, you can find this on our partner website, or at the end of the deck, you'll get a link. It's aka.ms/DMC. So that we're going to share that link in the slide deck, but great resource, lots of content, lots of channels. Highly recommend you take a look and see if there's anything available that can support you and your business. And I'll hand it back to Jordan.
Great, thanks, Sydney. Let me share my screen again. Excellent. All right, so thanks, Sydney. Digital marketing content on demand is the best way to really improve your digital presence and reach new customers. So now I'm going to talk through additional services that are available to partners with a competency or ISV partners that are co-sell ready. So first of all, you're going to want to make sure your profile is set up in Partner Center. Your business profile is available and searchable to customers on the solution provider website. After you set up your profile, we have a team of marketing specialists that will provide a marketing review of your public business profile and your co-sell ready offer if you do have a solution or an offer that is co-sell ready. Our team will also provide you the resources for managing leads that do come to you through Partner Center. You can get access to these resources and get started directly on this offer once your profile is built directly in Solution Workspace. Again, we'll share the deck out after with links to Solution Workspace. Microsoft partners with a gold competency and/or our ISV partners with a co-sell incentive offer. You can get access to co-branded content such as a one-pager, presentation, case study, social media assets, and more. We make it really easy and quick for you to generate these co-branded assets through Solution Workspace. And once these assets are drafted and submitted to our team, they go through a creative and editorial review. When reviews are complete, the assets are ready for you to integrate into your marketing plans and campaigns and begin amplifying. These assets, the one-pager, case study, and presentation fulfill the requirements, the content requirements to become co-sell ready. And I highly recommend once these assets are pulled together that you include them in your commercial marketplace listing. This work ensures that your solution messaging is aligned with Microsoft. And again, we'll share the link out to get started. Okay, I'm going to shift gears a bit and talk through our partner demand generation programs. These offers are for partners that are co-selling with Microsoft. All of these programs that I'm going to talk about are centered around account-based marketing. So what is account-based marketing? For those that maybe aren't in a marketing role or new to marketing, and why do you care? Account-based marketing is all about focusing on accounts that are most likely to generate revenue. We don't want to waste precious time and resources going after everything and everyone, right? We all do it, right? We attract as many as we can. We want to count views, impressions, clicks, invite people, as many people as possible to webinars, blast off bulk email, and even more. We nurture those that show up and try to close a subset. This is actually incredibly tasking and expensive, and ABM is about turning this framework upside down and identifying first who is most likely to need your solution, and then build a strategy around that to engage those high propensity to buy accounts and try to land and expand across decision makers in these organizations. So why land and expand? Because reaching and closing the tech target audience is more complex than ever before. The tech buying committee has grown significantly. And so how do we want to ensure that we reach all these people and catch their attention? We do this with quality content, which is the other key pillar of a sound account-based marketing strategy. Target audience is not only growing, it's changing demographics and behavior. So you'll see here 56% of buyers today are millennials. Believe it or not, Gen X are not far behind. And we need to build a strategy around how this demographic is consuming content. Another good data point to keep in mind is that 67% of prospects have reported that they value content created for their specific job. 82% appreciate the same for their particular industry. So it's critical to stop and think about our content strategies. So with all this in mind, and I know we're running a little bit on time, so I'm going to cruise through these pretty quickly, and then we are always available for questions in the partner GTM community, so I'll share that link at the end. So with all this in mind, success requires us to meet these individuals where they are, and that's why we do, and that's what we do with our partner demand generation programs. We invite your expansion with the most relevant accounts. We can help you dissect your addressable market by geography, job titles, industry, and if applicable, Microsoft associated products. So here's a list of the partner demand generation programs, and you can learn more about these on our website, which again, we'll share at the end. Common across these services is we generate co-branded assets that lead with the look and feel of the partner, but tells that together story with Microsoft. We develop a set of ABM tactics that are most relevant to whom you're trying to reach. And finally, marketing qualified leads or sales qualified leads do come out of these campaigns to help accelerate your pipeline. And this is a representation of the campaign journey. On the left-hand side, you can see some of the account-based marketing tactics that are most common. Of course, these change depending on your needs as we do a discovery call to set up these campaigns. And in the middle, you'll see a sample landing page that is co-branded, and to the right of it, example of assets. And then the leads that do come out are ready for you to further qualify. Great, so we went through a lot today, and this slide shows you all the go-to-market programs. At the top, it's color-coded and hyperlinked, all the different programs, and the journey starts with you and making sure you have the marketing skills and knowledge to build this strong engine. And then we are here to further help support you with marketing content, technology, wherever you might need it most to help along the customer buying journey, whether it be awareness, amplification, lead generation, and hopefully purchase intent, where we have quite a few sales resources as well. All right, I'm not going to spend too much time on this. If you are a partner with a competency, silver or gold, you do have access to the How to Market with Microsoft offer, and I recommend that you get started with this first. This will connect you with the go-to-market desk, and we'll provide you with support, whether it be consultation and execution plan, or just connections with our team to get your questions answered. So again, we'll share this out after and you'll have access to the links. All right, so I know we are time. We had that tough technical difficulty at the beginning, but let's see here. Do we have some questions? Sydney, it does look like we have a few questions from DMC if you want to quickly answer. There's a question, can you confirm in digital marketing content on demand, can you schedule each piece of content out individually?
Yeah, so you can schedule things out individually, but you can also schedule automatically, so you can have the tool post on your behalf. So if there's a channel that you think, you know, I want to post all this content to my social, you would just select turn on automatic posting, and the tool would post according to the cadence that we've set, aligned to those best practices. So you can do it either way. You can post a channel or kind of have a campaign run through, or you can schedule out. Every Monday, you'll get an email from the tool that lets you know what content you have available. And so a lot of times we see partners go in, once they get the email reminder, they'll go and select the content, schedule it out for the week, and then they've got their marketing set or their social marketing set for that week. So every single week we kind of see that use case, but there's a few different ways you can go about posting.
Perfect. And that answers our second question. We do deliver a suggested schedule and recommendations for posting out. Correct, Sydney?
Correct. Mm-hmm.
Great. And then is there a limit in a partner organization who can have access to this tool? Can everyone use the same partner ID?
Yeah, so you can have as many partner or as many users within your organization. We actually see a lot of sales teams leverage this because they can post on their LinkedIn and kind of establish that trusted advisor, stay up to date with kind of, like I said, that thought leadership or sharing, you know, information via infographics and other graphics. So you can have as many accounts tied to your partner ID as you'd like.
Great. Well, that brings us to the end. There are probably so many more questions. You'll see a link here. It's the fourth bullet. Join the Go to Market with Microsoft Partner Community Forum. I'm on there. I'm answering questions. We have a team on there as well. So any questions that come up, just ask them on there. You can sign up for digital marketing content on demand. Visit our website. That's the best resource to learn all about these services that are available to you and get started with your offers directly in Solution Workspace. Well, thank you all so much for your time today. We look forward to connecting with you in the community and seeing you on future Ask Me Anything sessions. And here is the next webinar that's coming up in this particular series, how to maximize your opportunities with marketplace app selling, and that is on April 28th. So we'll see you next week.
Thank you, Jordan, and thank you, Sydney. Thank you for your time. Thank you all for your participation. The event post that is dropped in the Q&A will contain the on-demand recording of this event. So feel free to check it out, and also feel free to explore the community for more useful information on GTM topics. So with that, wish you a great day or evening ahead, and thank you once again.